speed, precision, and multicolor capability, 2026 is redefining desktop 3D printing. Please watch this video till the end because today I'm revealing the top 5 best 3D printers of 2026, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which 3D printer is the best overall choice for your projects. Whether you're a hobbyist, small business owner, engineer, or content creator, these printers deliver serious performance in speed, reliability, and print quality. Let's start the countdown. From number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. Flashforge AD5X. This version of the AD5X supports 4-color multi-material printing with speeds up to 600 mm per second and full auto calibration. It features filament backup support and DIY IFS compatibility for expanded creative flexibility. Review highlights. This is a productivity-focused printer, ideal for users who want to print multicolor models without constant manual filament swaths. The 600 mm per second speed significantly reduces production time. Pros: 4-color multi-material printing, high-speed 600 mm per second performance, full auto calibration, filament backup feature, strong productivity upgrade. Number 4. Creality K2 SE Combo. The Creality K2 SE Combo supports multicolor printing with CFS, printing speeds up to 500 mm per second, and smart auto leveling. It comes fully assembled with a solid metal frame and next-gen extruder. Review highlights. Creality is a trusted name in the US 3D printing market. This model offers stability, strong structural design, and high-speed output while remaining beginner-friendly. Pros: multicolor support, 500 mm per second high-speed printing, fully assembled setup, solid metal frame for stability, smart auto leveling system. Number 3. Flashforge IFS. This AD5X model features fully automatic leveling, a 300°C direct drive extruder, and speeds up to 600 mm per second. It offers a 220 by 220 by 220 mm build volume and supports multicolor printing with the IFS system. Review highlights. The direct drive extruder allows better control for flexible filaments like TPU. It's a strong balance between speed and material versatility. Pros: 600 mm per second CoreXY performance, 300°C high-temp nozzle, fully automatic leveling, multicolor IFS support, reliable print consistency. Number 2. Elegoo Centauri Carbon. The Elegoo Centauri Carbon is a CoreXY high-speed printer capable of 500 mm per second printing with a 320°C nozzle, built-in camera, and auto calibration. It offers a larger 256 by 256 by 256 mm build volume and comes ready to print out of the box. Review highlights. This printer stands out for high-temperature material compatibility and remote monitoring through its built-in camera. It's ideal for advanced users printing engineering-grade materials. Pros: 320°C high-temp nozzle, CoreXY 500 mm per second speed, built-in monitoring camera, auto calibration, larger build volume. Number 1. Flashforge Multicolor. Taking the top spot is the Flashforge AD5X Multicolor, featuring a CoreXY motion system, blazing 600 mm per second print speed, one-click auto leveling, and a 300°C direct drive extruder. It offers a 220 by 220 by 220 mm build volume, optimized for precision and efficiency. Review highlights. This printer delivers the best overall combination of speed, accuracy, multicolor support, and user-friendly automation. The CoreXY system ensures stable high-speed movement with minimal vibration, resulting in cleaner prints. Pros: 600 mm per second ultra-fast printing, one-click auto leveling, 300°C direct drive extruder, multicolor capability, strong balance of speed and precision. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, let's talk about the best 3D printer overall. After comparing print speed, multicolor capability, automation, build quality, and overall performance, the Flashforge AD5X Multicolor CoreXY 600mm per second stands out as the best 3D printer of 2026. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the latest deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.